support our lovely couple. Go on. And if you are down, of course, supporting our dinner for the night, ladies and gentlemen, let us show our love and support to Mr. and Mrs. Arenas. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and in 1. Pasalubungan natin ang masigawang palakpakan na mabiyayang sayawan ng mag-asawang Arenas. Pero ito ang pinakamaiwagang tanong sa inyong mag-asawa. Saan yung plano gamitin ang lahat ng mga biyayang natanggap ninyo this evening? Now, Angie? Sa negosyo. Parang ayaw ni Loy. Mukhang may ibang plano. Loy, saan mong plano gamitin ang lahat ng mga biyayang ito, sir? Mukhang hindi magkakakurot ni Angie sa likuran, ha? There you go, we're looking forward, of course, na makapalagunin yung lahat ng mga biyayang ito. But for the meantime, we ask, of course, our maid of honor, the kind of course, take good care of those precious, please. Ang hatian natin dyan ay 70-30, ma'am. Pakibilang na po, ha? Kasi 30 lang ang mapupunta sa inyo. There you go now. At this time, we invite, of course, our lovely couple to please proceed on your beautiful cake here on this side as we're about to slice that very beautiful creation. Right after this, our bountiful dinner. The presence of our viewer and founder who joined us earlier with our ceremony. Thank you so much to Grease Ray Mahabagat and Samantha Nicole Ramirez. There you go now. Ang unang trabaho nila mag-asawa is of course to slice the cake. Mas malaki, mas maganda, tulong na yung dalawa. Please. There you go, come on. There you go now in 3, 2, 1, and slice the cake. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Even the shadow of someone's arms. There you were. Mukhang ito ang unang sumubok sa relasyon ninyong mag-asawa. There we go, Mr. and Mrs. Arenas. So, kakayanin din natin yan, ha? Well, there we go. Now, may we invite you to be pleased. There we go, thank you. Inviting once again our lovely couple to please join me here on our beautiful stage. Thank you, baby. Sabi nila, Angie and Loy, ang cake daw ay nagsisimbolize ng fertility. Now, ang tanong sa inyo mag-asawa, ilan nga ba ang gusto nyo maging anak na dalawa? Ops! Alam ko yung mga tinigan yung dalawa na yan, ha? Nag-uusap kayo, ha? Pero tingnan natin kung magtutugma kayong dalawa. Dahil pag mas marami ang kay Loy at mas konti ang kay Angie, o mas marami ang kay Angie at mas konti ang kay Loy, tulong ito, ha? Ilan nga ba ang gusto maging anak na mag-asawang Arenas? Isigaw ninyo ay 3, 2, 1, go! Parang sa sigaw mukhang kaya ng 7. Now, guys, of course, Loy, oras na para ipakita sa amin kung gaano katamis ang pag-ibig mo para sa iyong pinakamamahal na Angie. 3, 2, 1, go, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. It's so fun. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Now, Angie, oras na para gantihan step 1. Gaano kalaki ang pag-ibig mo para sa kanya, Angie? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes,
Angie, parang walang nagawa si Loy. Hinawakan mo pa talaga, ha? Thank you so much. At pwede ba makisilig ko with a sweet, sweet kiss this night, please? Kalmahan lang, hindi pa kami naghahapunan eh. Thank you so much once again. That's Loy and Angie for the cake slicing ceremony. And before we proceed on our bountiful dinner, may we invite the best man in the maid of honor to please come over and join us here for the Sparkly Juice toasting. Inviting Christian Chino Gumbaca and Joanna Marie Supenia, please. There you go. Once again, for the Sparkling Juice toasting, we have the best man and the maid of honor. There you go. Now, sir, please on the side of our dashing group. And now, Joanna, please on the side of our beautiful bride. Pero syempre, bakit tayo tuloy mag-cheers tonight? Oras na para makarinig muna kami ng mensahe mula sa inyong dalawa. Si Gina, bakit ang ulo bigla, ha? Kaya now, let's begin this with Joanna. Joanna, your message please for our lovely couple, Angie and Loy. Mukhang medyo makapal yan, ha? Anyway, we need to wait. Take it away.
Hi, good evening everyone po. My name is Joanna Marie and I'm the younger sister of Angie. So to start with my message,